Looking ahead, Viking Pumps save you money. We recently dealt with a customer who extrudes cottonseed oil. This customer was using diaphragm pumps when we encountered their setup. These pumps were taxing the entire system, causing a number of efficiency problems, as well as requiring frequent maintenance. In short, they were costing the company both manpower and operational hours, which adds up to a lot of money. Looking at the system, it was clear that the pumps were inadequate for their operation. We recommended the customer upgrade to some top-of-the-line Viking spur gear pumps. While the initial investment might have been more than the previous pumps, the overall cost of ownership would be substantially less. Immediately, the customer noticed that the operational improvement, the capabilities of their system had never been higher, and they no longer needed to worry about constant repairs. The benefits are not just short-term though. Years down the line, they will have saved money on repairs and made money from being able to run their system more often and more efficiently. When one part of your system is overworked, it spreads quickly to other components. In this case, the diaphragm pumps put undue tax on the air compressors. When you are in an industry where every second counts, the last thing you want is to be worried about when the next problem might spring up. The costs of substandard equipment are both direct and indirect, and business owners don't need the added stress. Thanks to Viking, this company has a low-maintenance, high-performance pump, and the owner is much happier as a result.